Welcome to Switzerland, a country renowned for its unparalleled natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of Alps, Switzerland is a heaven for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. From the majestic Swiss Alps towering with snow-capped peaks that glisten under the sun to the serene lakes that mirror the surrounding beauty, Switzerland captives with every glance. As you traverse the charming villages, you will find yourself surrounded by colors. Switzerland's pristine lakes are like mirrors reflecting the splendor of the landscape. The tranquility of these waters is interrupted only by the occasional ripple from a passing boat or the gentle flutter of swans. For those seeking adventure, Switzerland offers an extensive network of hiking trails that wind through lush forests and lead to panoramic viewpoints. Families gather for picnics and friends embark on journeys filled with discovery. As the sun sets behind the Alps, casting a warm glow over the landscape, you will realize that Switzerland is not just a country, it's a symphony of nature's wonders. Come immerse yourself in the beauty that is Switzerland.